You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names, including from French that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Fabien. Fabien is how it is said in French, so in English you can say it as Fabien, Fabien or Fabien. Fabien is how it is said, Fabien. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of words and names that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.